Question 9a. For this set, calculate the mode, median, mean, and the standard deviation. Alright, so here, the mode first of all. Which number occurs more often than any other number? I see 3 only one time, 7 is there once, 11 is there only once. I see 4 2 times, 5, 12, 11, 9, 8. Oh, so 4 occurs 2 times, but all of the other numbers occur only once. So the mode is 4. Good. The median. Well, to get the median, you have to rearrange them in order. So what's the smallest number? That's 3. Then you have 4. Another 4. Then you have 5. Only one 5. Any 6? There's no 6. I'm not seeing any 7. There's an 8. 8. There's a 9. I see a 9 or 10. There's an 11. There's a 12. I don't see any other number. Let me just check to make sure. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 numbers here. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There's another number missing. 7. It's a 7. Alright, so what's 7? Alright, good. We have 3, 4, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Good. The median is the number at the center. And if there is an even number of items, you have 2 numbers at the center. Alright? You find the average of both of them. So let's see something here. There are 3 to the left, 3 to the right. Just go further. If you cover 4 to the left and 4 to the right. Oh, there are 2 at the center. Alright? Because there are 10 numbers. It's an even number of items. So there will be 2 numbers at the center. There will be 7 and 8. So to get the median, you say 7 plus 8 divided by 2. 8 and 7 is what? 8 and 7 is 15 divided by 2 is equal to 7.5. So the median is 7.5, right? And as you see there, one disadvantage with the median. The numbers you get are all integers, but the median is a fraction, a decimal, right? But anyway, that's how it is. What about the mean? Okay. We're going to add them all up and divide by the number of numbers. There are 3 plus 7 plus 11 plus 4 by 2 is 8 plus 5 plus 12 plus 10 plus 9 plus 8. Alright. We say 4 by 2 here because there were 2 of the same numbers. But anyway, this will be divided by how many numbers were here again? There were 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 numbers. So it will be divided by 10. So we add them up and divide by 10. Let's see what our calculator has to say. We have 3 plus 7 plus 11 plus 4 2 is 8 plus 5 plus 12 plus 10 and 9, 19 and 8. We have 73. So 73 divided by 10 is 7.3. So it's 7.3. So here, again with the mean, like the median, you may have all integers, but the mean is a decimal or fraction, right? Here's 7.3. Alright, it's standard deviation. we want to find out what is the standard deviation. Let's look at our formula sheet. The standard deviation is the square root of. So SD is the square root of sum of x squared f. Is the sum of x squared f over the sum of f minus the mean squared. Minus mean squared. Sometimes mean is given as bar x squared. Alright? Let me write the square root sign all the way down here. So here now, the sum of x squared f is just the sum of x squared, and the f would be 2 when you have 2 of them. Alright? So, I want to find the square root of the sum of x squared. You're going to add all of them squared. So, we'll just use a calculator. You want to show all workings, so in exam you would write down everything and use a table. Alright? Wait, x squared. We have 3 squared. We could do it 3 squared plus 7 squared plus 11 squared plus, this is 4 squared times 2 because you have 2 of them, plus, or you could have said 4 squared plus 4 squared if you want, plus 5 squared plus 12 squared plus 10 squared plus 9 squared plus 8 squared equal 625. So you have 625 over the sum of f. It's a frequency. So in this case, there are 10 of them. Right? Here's the frequency. 1 plus 2 plus 1, which is 2, plus 1, which is 3, plus the sum of the frequency here. 2 fours, so it's plus 2, which is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are 10 of them. So frequency is 10. Frequency is how frequent they occur. Minus the mean squared, 7.3 squared. So in this case, the standard deviation will be equal to, so we get back our calculator and work it out. It's going to be 625 over 10 is going to be 6.25. Oh, 62.5 now. 62.5. That's 625 over 10, 62.5 minus 7.3 squared will give us 9.21, and the square root of that 3.035. So it is 3.035. Even though I use the calculator to work out some of it, remember in exam you must show everything, show full complete working. Alright, so the standard deviation is 3.035.